We replaced another MacBook Air screen today, which apparently got shot on a something which created that crack across the screen. So let's take the screen and replace it. Alright, let's heat up the screen so it can release its adhesive. First we want to remove this little strip without breaking it. So we applied a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to release the glue, but you need to be careful with that because if any goes behind the sheets, backlight sheets, it might leave mark. Okay, seems like there's a little crack on this strip, so we might not be able to reuse it. Let's see how we're gonna remove it first. Okay, we applied a little bit of tape on it to support that little cracked area. And let's start from the other side as well and see if we can meet in the middle without the need to replace that strip. Okay, strip is out. It's used, double-side tape is used underneath to hold it. Okay, so we remove the adhesive from the strip. Let's remove the screws. So we need to remove this bit from here, and we need to clean it while it's out. So we will start with this heated up cracked side first. You can see a little chip there, so most likely the charger or something got stuck. Yeah, so once we pass that little cracked corners, it's a bit better smooth sailing. But yeah, so we just need to slowly go through the edge. Apply a little bit of alcohol on it so we can release the glue underneath. But yeah, you can see how it cracks because it already started with a line crack. And once it starts, basically the screen loses its structural strength. And the edges are the worst. I can see the glue here just holding that screen. Yeah, so we need to just get rid of it, so it can allow us to separate. Right, this is our replacement screen, which we will fit into the chassis. But first, let's apply some double-side tape here so it can secure the screen. Okay, so we're ready with the tape around it. Top tape was all good. So let's put the screen in. This screen has a back film at the back of it, but we won't be removing it yet because we want to see that it's working all right. So we temporarily connected the screen just for testing purposes. Although the screens have been tested before they arrive, we still want to make sure that the backlight sheets and everything is okay. All right, let's just cover customers' details. Beautiful. So we will quickly sign in. Okay, so this is a full screen text edit document. This blue patch is normal, that's from the cover. Awesome. And just to show you that we're using a correct color screens, we can enable True Tone on this and you get those warm, fuzzy feeling MacBook screen. And most of the eBay, Amazon screens are even a worse quality than this with a disabled True Tone. You can see how the colors are changing. Might be a bit hard to see on the camera, but yeah, so this is the reason why we replaced only the LCD panel, because we can source a high quality LCD panels which support proper Apple colors as well. We're back on our desk. Let's remove that the cover of the sticky tape so we can get the screen installed properly. Let me remind you, this screen is so fragile, you won't believe it. So this is not for the faint-hearted, and you might have to go through a couple screens before you perfect it. It is very problematic installation, and it needs to be in an absolutely clean environment, because every little dust particle goes underneath the screen, and you will see it once you glue everything. Then you need to crack the screen to be able to remove that dust, because you cannot remove the screen once it's glued in without damaging it. Okay, let's install this little strip. Not the strip, but the bottom bracket. Strip will be next. Okay, let's also install the strip. Screw it nicely. Okay, so we're ready to install the fused-in screen. Let's clean this Mac nicely, because since 2020, so 5 years in service, it hasn't been cleaned. And yeah, we get them a lot with organic matter damage. So all this breadcrumbs stuff and hair, etc., can damage the components inside, or can cause the system to overheat. Not to mention that we have a couple MacBook Airs already where a little grain of sand or whatever it was punctured through the battery, and the battery starts basically bulging, and required a battery replacement only because it was unserviced. So, alright, so cleaned it nice. Let's fit the screen in. Okay, so this is the screen which we just replaced. Let's put it on. Alright, there you go, screen has been replaced. It's beautiful, beautiful, no issues. No patches on the screen, so we'll just remove the screen protector, the nylon which comes from the factory, and this device is good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Another successfully repaired MacBook Air, where we replace the screen, and this is a true tone screen, not one of those crappy Amazon eBay rubbish. So quality screen where it won't cause eye fatigue or anything. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful device. So 2020 MacBook Air successfully repaired within same day. Customer dropped it this morning and it's good to go now. Now it's 12 o'clock. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you like our content, please like and subscribe, which will encourage us to create more content. And if you need the service and you're based in South Australia, let us know. We're here to help. Don't fall for Apple's practices. This screen replacement with Apple is about $850 to $900 Australian dollars. We replaced it for $600. That's easy, about $300 savings for the same quality screen. Thank you for watching. Take care.